Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Capricorn, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards first, guys. We have 8 of Pentacles in reverse, 10 of Swords in reverse, and Queen of Wands in reverse. So Capricorn, in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship. Maybe today in your work, maybe you would have planned something and you are expecting a certain results or a beginning of a new project or a beginning of a new work, maybe work related expectations, or it may be some expectations in this relationship. But your expectations are not happening and you may feel worried or you may feel lost, stressed because of that. And maybe for some of you there are some interesting situations coming up. Maybe in this relationship you may be in a connection with the person, you love someone, but there is a person coming towards you. They are admiring you for the qualities you have, maybe your appearance. They are taken by your beauty and they want to be in this connection with you, or they are really impressed with your characteristics, with your nature, or the way you are, your attitude. So there are people, or there is someone really attracted to you and they find you really interesting, and maybe that may be the reason this person you are in relationship with, they are quite jealous or envious of you. They are really possessive, and they are showing their possessive nature because you are someone really attractive and people find you really attractive, and you may be someone to whom many people approach. So they are quite jealous of the way you are, and they want to be really possessive, and they may be asking you a lot of questions, trying to find out what you are up to, what you are doing, and they want to find out everything about you, guys. Capricorn. And also Capricorn, maybe there may be some troubles in your situation, in your work situation we were speaking about. Maybe something may happen that may not be expected, but whatever it is, you are going to see positive changes, guys. Your situation will turn to your advantage. Things will take a positive turn today, and you will be really surprised, happy for the way things are going today in your situation, guys. So it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, Capricorn. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the card for you all today, not for you. So, with this card, guys, it just means that maybe this relationship or this connection is not meant to be. So, some relationships carry an innate seed of failure right from the beginning, and you need not feel sad or stressed. You need to understand that rejection is God's way of protection. So, when something is denied to you, however hard you make efforts, some things may not go right, and you may see failure in that. You need to understand that maybe it is not meant to be. That is the reason it is not manifesting, and there are much better things on its way towards you, and you can be happy for that, guys. And you need to trust this and understand that rejection is God's protection today for you. So, in a relationship, sometimes when it is not meant to be, however hard you try or whatever you do, things will not go up to expectation. And maybe right from the beginning, you may have an understanding that this connection may not work. You may have an intuition, or sometimes you may not observe things in this way. But if this relationship is meant to be, it will proceed towards the positive way, guys. But if it is not, if you are rejecting or if that person is rejecting, it is good for both of your sakes, guys, because for each and every person there is a proper match here, and this person may not be the best one for you, guys. So you need to understand that, and you need not feel worried. There is a best fit waiting for you. So you just need to have trust today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. This card for y'all, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this crystal and the second card, we have fairies, words. So with this card, it just means that in our circumstances today, guys, you need to be really careful what you speak, and you need to be really careful of the thoughts you have and the words we speak to people. It has a great impact in their life, guys. So that does not mean that we have to flatter someone to make them happy, go for that falsehood. It does not mean that. It just means that in each and every situation, we should speak with honesty and with the beauty of ourselves. So what inner beauty we have, our words should come from that kindness and from that compassion. And when we speak words of kindness, you need not think of anything else. You will surely be rewarded today. And when you do good things for others, your good deeds will always be reciprocated, guys. May not be today, but the rewards will surely reach you for whatever good you are doing to the people. It may be a stranger or it may be a friend. To whomever you do something good, it is going to come back to you. And when you speak kind words, you are enriching yourself with more beauty and kindness. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe in some situation today, you are doing things the right way, not for the sake of someone praising you or appreciating you, just for the truth and honesty, and for the beautiful soul you have. So you are doing the right things for the sake of the right thing, not for anything else. So maybe in your situation, something demands this action on your part, and you are moving ahead with honesty, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.